It's a Pilot Power 2CT. I love it. Runs very good. I'm pleased with it. So nice design. So what we're going to do, we're going to make the letters white, like on the front wheel again. See? It's gonna take some time, but and we're doing it with this paint marker. I bought these from China, Aliexpress, but you can find them anywhere, I think. So first you have to clean the tire. I use brake cleaner for that. I use brake cleaner, I put it on a little towel, and then I wipe everything very nice and clean and dry. Before I do that, I use this and I scrub it a bit like that, and then you can, you use the brake cleaner then, and then you wipe it dry. You let it dry for a couple of minutes so there's no brake cleaner anymore, and then you start with the first coat. So I'm going to do that, this one and this. It's very time consuming. It takes a lot of time to do that. It's very difficult also because they're very small, but it gives that extra thing on your bike. I don't know, you have to do it to both sides, of course. So first we're going to do this, then that, then I'll get back to you. Okay. So here I did the first layer. It's not completely filled in yet, but you better do it 2 or 3 times, then it stays longer. In fact, I cleaned the whole rim inside. Now you can get your hands in it and everything with this WD-40. You put it on a towel, then you clean it. Don't clean this with WD-40. Don't do that. So looks good now. Now we're going to do the second one. First the first one here, and then the second one, maybe the third one, I don't know. The wheel is finished. Painted everything. I put the bike a little bit higher so it's easier to work on. We're going to clean the sprocket. So it's nice and clean then again. Going to also clean the chain a bit. Also the inside. Now we have the access to it, so I hope you can see it, everything. There's my Joker sticker. I love it. So when that's clean, I'll get back to you. So I put the cush drives in there and clean it up a bit. Clean the chain so it's nice and clean now. And now we're gonna put the wheel back in there. Also clean the caliper a bit. We're gonna get everything ready. Put the sprocket back on there. That's easy. Everybody knows how to do that. So then when the wheel is ready to put it in there, I'm gonna take another picture of it. Take some grease to put on the axle. Clean it first and then a little bit of grease on there so it slides in there. Don't forget your nuts. This has to go to the sprocket and the wheel. It goes on the other side like this. And here comes the sprocket. Don't forget this. It's very, very important. So sure, don't forget it. It's about this one. Goes in there like that. Then you take your sprocket and you put it in there. sometimes it doesn't work very well, so you have to do it with both hands. I know I don't have both hands now, so I'm going to do it with both hands. So here it is. That's the bearing I put in there. Oh, the bushing, very important. So it's back on. Now I'm gonna put the reel in there. So the wheel is finally in there. I had to use some persuasion, but I took the caliper off. I thought it was a little bit easier. Maybe you don't need to, but I did it. So now it's in there. What we still have to do is check the chain. But first we're going to put everything on there again, like the caliper, and so you have to put it back on there like that. So we're going to do that, and also took the ABS sensor off so it wouldn't be damaged in the process of mounting this on there. Like I said, I took the caliper off, and then you have to torque these screws from at 25 Newton meters. That's 25. So the wheel is in there. The chain is adjusted. I do this with a chain monkey. Chain monkey is very easy to use. You can see it all in the description. You have to see there are plenty of YouTube videos how it works. So how does it work? So I'm not going to tell you everything about it. So you can, I shall post a link online in the description, so you can see how it works. It's very easy. So now we have to take the nut at torque settings, put the cotter pin in there, the thing on, and it's finished. New tire, so with nice letters on there. Clean. Thank you for watching. Bye.